Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice 2 great moves for beginners that you can mirror me to learn. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep practicing Tai Chi. Let's learn and practice 2 great moves for beginners that you can mirror me as you practice. Let's begin. Start with your weight on one foot, and one hand comes up with your palm facing up, and one hand your palm facing down. We're going to step forward into brush and press. Step forward with one heel, and as you shift your weight, one hand brushes your knee, and the other hand presses forward. Now, shift your weight slightly back as one toe comes out, the back leg comes up. Now, this hand, my palm is up, and this hand, my palm is down. Step forward with your heel, and as you shift your weight, brush and press. Very good. One more. Shift the weight, toe comes out. One palm up, one palm down. Step, brush, and press. And again, toe comes out. One palm up, one palm down. Step, brush, and press. Now we'll do monkey repulses. In monkey repulses, begin by opening up. Now step with one foot behind you, and as you shift your weight back, press out with your other hand. Now one hand, my back hand, my palm is up, and my front hand, my palm is down. Open. Step with the toe first, and as you shift your weight, press forward with one hand. One palm up, one palm down. Good. Continue 2 more. Open. Step, press away. Open. Step back and press away. Let's practice those 2 moves one more time. Remember, all Tai Chi begins with the center, connects with the ground, and appears in the fingertips. So remember to engage your center. Begin one palm up and one palm down. Step out, brush, and press. One palm up, one palm down. Step out, brush, and press. Step, brush, and press. And one more. Step, brush, and press. Now let's do monkey repulses. Open. Step back. Press away. Open. Step back. Press away. Open. Step back. Press away. And one more. Open. Step back and press away. Those were a few moves, 2 moves that you can mirror me as you practice. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Stay healthy. Stay strong.